Welcome back, everyone. Today we're diving into some of the best tips to help you pass your driving test with confidence. I understand that just hearing the words driving test can make you feel a bit anxious. It's often compared to other stressful situations like a root canal or doing your taxes. But with the right preparation, it doesn't have to be overwhelming. With some preparation and these practical tips, you'll be ready to pass your test and celebrate with your very own driver's license. Let's get started. Let's start with one of the most common challenges in the driving test: parallel parking. It's that moment when the examiner asks you to park between two cones, and it can feel a bit daunting. But don't worry, with consistent practice you'll get the hang of it. Keep practicing until you feel comfortable and confident. Find a quiet street, set up some markers or cones, and start practicing. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Now let's talk about mirrors and blind spots, those areas that can be tricky if you're not careful. Remember, before you make any move, whether it's changing lanes, turning, or even just pulling away from the curb, always check your mirrors and physically turn your head to check your blind spots. This is very important. It could be the difference between a smooth ride and a minor accident, and it's always better to be safe and aware, ensuring a positive experience during your driving test. Next, let's address those nerves. It's normal to feel anxious. Your heart might be racing and your palms could be sweaty. You might even hear your thoughts racing, but here's the key. Stay calm. It might seem challenging, but try taking some deep breaths and visualize yourself passing the test. Remember, the examiner is there to assess your skills, not to fail you. The calmer you are, the better you'll be able to focus on your driving. This one might seem straightforward, but many people overlook the basics. Understanding the rules of the road isn't just about passing the test, it's about being a safe and responsible driver. So take the time to review those traffic signs, remember the right-of-way rules, and be mindful of the speed limits. Think of it like this. The rules of the road are like the lyrics to a familiar song. You know them well and can follow them naturally. Finally, let's discuss the importance of getting a good night's sleep. While it might seem helpful to stay up late studying your driving manuals, it's actually better to rest. Being well rested is essential for maintaining focus and quick reaction times, both of which are vital when driving. So take care of yourself by putting down the books, turning off the screens, and getting some sleep. Your mind and your driving instructor will appreciate it. And there you have it. Follow these tips, and you'll be well prepared for your driving test. Good luck, and drive safely. Remember, practice is key, so get out there, log those hours, and soon enough, you'll be confidently driving around town, proudly showing off your new driver's license. Just promise me you'll be careful out there, okay? Drive safely, be considerate to other drivers, and remember to enjoy the journey. See you on the road.